Income taxes fund public services that benefit us all. Tax brackets represent income ranges with different tax rates. To calculate taxable income, start with gross income. Each portion of income falls into a tax bracket. Let's walk through an example to illustrate tax brackets. Your filing status impacts tax bracket sizes and rates. Deductions and credits can lower your taxable income. Tax brackets are adjusted for inflation each year. Understanding tax brackets is crucial for tax planning. Our goal is to simplify income taxes for everyone. Knowledge empowers you for a stress-free tax season. Let's recap and explore additional resources for learning. Visit our website for more tax planning resources.